Are you looking for the best budget circular saw? In this video we will look at some of the best budget circular saw on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. DEWALT 575 SP Circular Saw. Our top recommendation is the DEWALT 575 SP Circular Saw. It topped our list of best circular saws because it's powerful, easy to handle, and the number one choice of several experts. It features a 7 1/4 inch blade that easily cuts through 2-inch wood or siding. It's a favorite tool of Smolevski's, who prefers to use it due to its lightweight design. It weighs 8 pounds, an electric brake that instantly stops the blade as soon as you press the trigger. Its adjustable cutting depth and clear line of sight promote precision, making it ideal for various projects. He says, this saw features a 57-degree bevel capacity that stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees for more accurate cuts. The higher the bevel angle, the more angled cuts you can make. To ensure your view isn't obscured, there's a blower to clear away the dust while you work. If the blade you're using isn't right for your task, you can easily swap blades. Number 2. WEN 36725 12A Circular Saw. If you're a DIYer who needs a circular saw for small projects around the home, we suggest a tool without too many bells and whistles to drive up the price. This WEN circular saw is definitely worth considering because it's affordable and has only the important features you need to get the job done. In fact, it has most of the same features you'll find in more expensive models, making it a superb option in terms of value. The WEN 36725 is a sidewinder model, which means the motor is located next to the blade, which cuts down on the overall weight and makes it easier to handle. You can make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees with the saw, and the blade features a 24-tooth carbide tip allowing it to easily cut through both hard and soft wood. Number 3. Festool TS 55. If you want to achieve consistently smooth cuts, the Festool TS 55 Rec is one of the best circular saws to consider. For starters, it's the only circular saw on our list that comes with a 55-inch track to keep the saw's cutting line as straight as possible. This is also beneficial because you don't have to buy an additional table or work surface. Smolevski really likes this option because it ensures consistent, straight cuts every time and his efficient dust extraction. Plus, you don't have to worry about splinters as it comes with a splinter guard to protect your hands. You can cut planks up to 4 feet long with the saw's guide rail. For longer pieces of wood, you can buy a bigger track. Number 4. Craftsman 7 1/4 inch Circular Saw. Whether you're making kitchen cabinets or a DIY coffee table, this Craftsman circular saw is an excellent option for woodworking. Even though it's a heavy-duty saw with a powerful 5,500 RPM rotations per minute motor, it's still easy to handle. More importantly, it comes at a budget-friendly price, making it the best circular saw for anyone dipping their toes into carpentry for the first time. It features a 7 1/4 inch, 18-tooth blade, which is powerful enough to cut a 2x piece of wood up to 2 inches thick in one pass. Changing to another blade is easy, thanks to a spindle lock on the unit. You can also make bevel cuts up to 55 degrees, and don't need any tools to adjust it. We also like that it has both upper and lower metal guards for extra protection. Number 5. Makita 5477 NB 7 1/4 inch Hypoid Saw. A Hypoid circular saw gets its name from its gear structure. The motor is on the right and the blade on the left, says Boylan. This causes you to see the line more clearly plus transfer more torque from multiple angles. You need this for demanding projects. Think hardwood or thick wood. For anyone who wants to reap these benefits and more, Smolevski recommends the Makita 7 1/4 inch 5477 NB Hypoid Saw as the best circular saw for heavy-duty carpentry jobs. It's designed with the pro framer, builder, and general contractor in mind. When it comes to making cuts on lumber, it's highly accurate, allowing you to cut bevel angles up to 51 degrees, a suitable angle for roof framing.